Welcome, you guys have made it to our very last walkthrough video for the entire semester. This is the Black Diamond section of Unit 6 on South America. And for this section, you're going to be researching different features of South America, and hopefully you can compare the countries to one another by the time you are done. This video is going to be nice and quick because there's only one assignment from Black Diamond, and it's researching a South America assignment, but I think it's a very interesting assignment. So through this research, you're going to be learning about a cult. You're going to learn about a suspected alien, or at least a once suspected alien, and maybe you'll learn a little bit more about why a chicken costs almost $15 million in Venezuela. So when you click the link to view your assignment, it will take you here. You're just going to open up the Google Doc. All of this information should be found for the most part just with a Google search. But if you ever see a question where next to it there is a blue underlined text, that's always a hypertext. And it's telling you that this is how you're going to find the answer for that question. So when it's asking about the Atacama child and you need to find all that information, well, click to open this article, and that article will tell you all about the Atacama child. This is a picture of that. This is a real fossil that was a once living thing. So you're going to get to read about the Atacama child. Here's another one where it talks about how much does it cost to buy a chicken in Venezuela. This is some extra information about why a chicken is so expensive. So you can either just read this, but if you want to know more, click to go to a longer article about how the hyperinflation in Venezuela happened. And then here's another one on Jonestown. Click here to find the link. So hopefully you guys are getting the picture here. If I've added an extra link, that's where you go to find the answer. Otherwise, just do a Google search. So if you just search where did Charles Darwin find his evidence that led to the theory of evolution, it will very quickly tell you the answer. And then you're going to do a comparison. I do want to go a little bit more in depth here. For this GDP per capita, I've put a link in here. It'll take you to a site called the Heritage Economic Freedom Rankings. So this tells you the most free countries in the world, at least economically. So where the citizens have the most say over their money or what businesses are run in the country. You can also do a search though. So if I want to know about Argentina, I can just search for Argentina, and under the quick facts section, it will tell you the GDP per capita. So down at the bottom, the GDP per capita is 20,537. So use this to really quickly search for each new country, and then you don't have to do a more thorough Google search. And this is always up to date with the current year. So this is the better way to find these GDP per capitas. And then there's a few questions asking about information from this table. So that's our Black Diamond walkthrough. That's the only assignment. No level up quiz because it wouldn't make sense to quiz you about the one assignment you just found all the answers for. So when you're done with that, move to double Black Diamond and take the final quiz on the country's capital cities and geography. And then once you finish that, you have completed social studies for 6th grade. And when you come back from winter break, we will be doing science. So congrats on finishing, guys.